President Emmerson Mnangagwa escaped a conspicuous distance from the funeral of the Liberation War veteran and outspoken ZANU-PF figure, Blessed Bombshell Geza, whose burial is unfolding amid lingering political tensions between the two men. Sarabira mash kublanyi kwa pango ina jinsi Mnangagwa ignores Geza funeral. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina wana mublanyi kwa mjinsi. The Geza family confirmed on Friday that the former war veteran leader who died in exile in South Africa last week is on his final journey home. The funeral procession is traveling through Bedbridge, Masvingo, Mvuma, Guru, Kobe, Kadoma, Chegutu, and Norton before arriving in Harare, where mourners have been urged to line the route in large numbers. Comrades, friends, and all Zimbabweans are encouraged to line the route in large numbers to escort our hero home and honor a life defined by sacrifice, courage, and commitment, the family said. Comrade Geza will be laid to rest at his rural homestead in Sanyati. However, what might have been a unifying national moment for a Liberation War veteran is instead highlighted unresolved political fractures within ZANU-PF. There's been no public statement, condolence message, or visible presence from President Mnangagwa regarding Geza's passing, a silence widely interpreted as reflective of their strained relationship. Comrade Geza's death comes against the backdrop of a dramatic and highly publicized fallout with Mnangagwa in sections of the ZANU-PF leadership. A veteran of Zimbabwe's liberation struggle and a long-time party activist, Geza had in recent years emerged as one of the most vocal critics from within the ruling party's Liberation War constituency. He openly accused elements of the political elite of corruption, patronage, and concentrating power around the presidency, arguing that the party has strayed from the values of the liberation struggle. His criticism intensified amid growing factional tensions over succession politics and debate around President Mnangagwa's influence as his constitutionally mandated term draws closer to its end. Geza questioned what he described as efforts to personalize power and marginalize war veterans, a constituency that has historically played a decisive role in ZANU-PF's internal power dynamics. Ndiwo developments anobuda panguva ino tiona kuti aiwa President Emmerson Mnangagwa ignore the death aiwa his popular critic Blessed Geza. Pina comment section medu za funguro ema tudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, cheta on the bell icon.